from Tour Online headquarters. I'm here to take you through through chemistry as usual, and I'm here to confirm my usual statement that chemistry was made the simplest. And for those candidates who are able to sit or to have their examinations this year, they can witness this. For the incoming candidates and other classes, we welcome you. Please invite more of your friends. Subscribe if you've not subscribed, please. Like our videos if you really like what we do. I'm back, and strictly today, I'm going to take you through a certain part of chemicals for consumers, and that is going to be about beverages. I want us to go through some chemistry of beverages. This is also another common section, another common source of an item, section A, chemistry. On the market, we have a number of beverages that we consume. Most of us do not know what we really consume and when we should consume what. Which age should not consume what and why. So here to simplify or to talk more about beverages. When I talk about beverages, I mean drinks. The things we drink. You may sometimes find them called or termed as drinks. So we have two major categories of drinks, and those are the soft drinks or the soft beverages. Sometimes we may find they may be always calling them the non-alcoholic beverages, and also have another category as the alcoholic or hard beverages. These two categories, the alcoholic and the non-alcoholic, may be natural or synthetic. There are some of these ones, the natural ones, the soft or hard drinks that are processed, just processed, laboratory processed. I'm going to find the likes of vodka, the likes of whisks. These are laboratory processed. They are synthesized in laboratories. Yes, they are alcoholic, but artificially made. These kinds of drinks will be artificial or synthetic alcoholic beverages. We are going to find some alcoholic beverages that are natural, just fermented from natural sources, natural ingredients like the marwa. Those are natural. They're obtained straight from natural ingredients. So there are reasons to why these drinks are called soft or hard, alcoholic or non-alcoholic. So I'm going to start with the alcoholic beverages. And these alcoholic beverages, there will always be a reason to why we call them alcoholic beverages. For any beverage to be termed as alcoholic, it must be an ethanol-containing beverage restricted to a certain age group. And you're going to find that these kinds of drinks will always be strictly used by adults of 18 years and above. So any beverage to be termed as alcoholic, it will be a beverage that contains and is strictly used by adults. That is, people who are 18 and above, 18 and over. They are alcoholic beverages. Members, we have very many examples of these beverages. We have the likes of beers. These are alcoholic. They contain ethanol. We have the likes of vodkas. We have the likes of whiskeys. And many others. So long as any drink contains ethanol, that kind of a drink is known as an alcoholic drink. Members, these alcoholic drinks have they have a mode of action. And members, we said for any contribution, for any supplement, for any question, please, we have that comment section down there. You can check the comment section. I mean, you can type it in the comment section. We shall always be reading it, and we shall be replying to you, and maybe helping even others to understand better. So the mode of action, all of these alcoholic drinks contain ethanol. Whatever is termed as an alcoholic drink contains, and this ethanol is a brain depressant. Being a depressant, we shall not go into the details of blocking GABA secretion and so on, dopamine. No, being a depressant, we looked at the depressants in drugs. We know what depressants do. What do depressants do? What they do, they inhibit brain activities, slowing down coordination of the brain. Remember, the brain coordinates every part of the body. Inhibits the brain activities, slowing down coordination, bringing about anxiety, a feeling of relaxation. And I want to find that these kinds of drinks elevates mood and improves socialization. You can bear me witness. Someone may be seated somewhere in a party, quietly, feeling small, not even mixing up with friends. But the moment this kind of a person takes a bottle or two, this kind of a person can go to tents where big people are seated and start greeting. It boosts or improves socialization. It elevates mood. Someone who has just taken alcohol, you don't know where dance comes from. You may dance even till morning. But some people, being a depressant containing, ethanol contained in alcoholic beverages, being depressants, in most cases, when taken in large amounts, it inhibits the brain activities, slowing them down, miscoordinating the body, or slowing down coordination. It alters someone's thinking. It changes someone's decision. Being a depressant. So the issue is all about the alcoholic drinks containing what? Ethanol, which is a what? A depressant. Being a depressant, it inhibits brain activities, slowing or stopping body coordination. That is one. Promoting relaxation. That is two. Elevating mood. No. It is a depressant. It cannot elevate mood. It's not a stimulant. It promotes or promoting relaxation, stopping coordination. Sorry, this is coordination. It inhibits coordination, promotes relaxation, and maybe altering decisions. Altering or affecting decision making. You may go to a bar with a very bold statement in your mind. I'm just going to take one bottle. I will not exceed one bottle. But when you take one bottle, it calls for you buying for your friends. You buy for more too. You take another liter. When you take that liter, you buy for the whole bar. After buying for the bar, you've taken another set of a liter. You call the waiters and waitresses. You spread the money on the table. Invite them to pick their own money, to pick what they want. So it alters decision making. It actually affects decision making. So all these ones are all about these alcoholic drinks containing ethanol. Ethanol, which is a what? A depressant. What do depressants do? They inhibit brain activities. And when the brain is inhibited, it does a lot of things. It slows down or inhibits coordination of the body parts, affects decision making, promotes relaxation, and so many other bad things. Just because of that simple thing in ethanol. Imagine it is in kids. Imagine it's a kid taking such an active ingredient. So this is the active ingredient in ethanol. And with this, I beg you put some functions of alcoholic beverages and the side effects of using such beverages. Let's come back for them in the next video. Thank you.